Good evening, Robert Scribbler providing this video to you guys from the north side of Jeanette's Pier on this evening, beautiful evening, as we have that gorgeous glow of the pink skies settling in at dusk, the glow of sunset behind the houses at the dune line. Such a gorgeous evening here in the Outer Banks once again as we drink deeply from the well of nature as we look at some gorgeous waves, choppy waves, but nonetheless beautiful, in the 2 to 3 foot range coming in off the North Atlantic Ocean on this lovely spring evening. Temperatures in the upper 50s, lower 60s. We've got some light northeasterly winds blowing in the range of about 5 to 11 miles per hour. Once again, choppy surf in the 2 to 3 foot range. I don't have all the data as technically written down for this report, so what I'm going to do is provide you guys with an overview of conditions as we expect them over the next 2 days. For tomorrow, in the morning time, we expect light winds out of the east in the range of about 5 to 9 miles per hour. Conditions should clean up a bit, so we should have fair conditions in the morning with 2 to 3 foot plus waves. As the day progresses, the winds are expected to shift east and then southeast, and then more so toward the south throughout the day with stronger winds. And those stronger winds coming in from the southeast and east are going to chop up the waves a little bit, with wave heights remaining in the 2 to 3 foot plus range throughout the day. For Thursday, winds are going to shift around to the south and west and pick up a bit, picking up to at least 10 to 20 miles an hour, maybe more with some higher gusts. And we will likely have some pretty clean conditions on Thursday with those southwesterly winds, but the wave heights are going to tamp down to the 1 to 3 foot range. For both of those days, we expect temperatures to be, well, for tomorrow in the lower 60s with clouds and sun, and then for Thursday looking kind of cloudy with temperatures in the lower to middle 60s as well. All right, so that's a brief forecast for the next couple of days. We'll give you guys a more comprehensive forecast on the morrow. Likely going to take a surf trip somewhere, and hopefully we'll get the GoPro set up. I want to do some more GoPro surfing for you guys, so tomorrow looks like a really good day to do it. We might head down to Avon and get you guys some good footage. All right, so thank you for joining me once again. Oh, and if you're looking for our GoPro footage or live cuts of surfing, they will be up on the Instagrams. All right, so thank you for joining me once again for this session, this Tuesday, April 16th session of the OBX Wave Report. And as I typically do, I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean heat waves, and ocean acidification. The primary solution to the climate crisis right now is the mass deployment of clean energy. Mass deployable forms of clean energy are wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. These forms are available and economical, and they're very helpful both for our environment and for our economies and for our jobs picture. So let's just get behind the clean energy revolution and do everything we can to make the world a better place for us all, and make a better living doing it too. All right, so thanks once again for joining me, and I will be back with you shortly.